So what I think would happen is if you did it again for Almquist, we'd see the same thing. When you
Yeah,
get to the
let's
general
let's do Amy
part,
because she doesn't because this one has a fee schedule missing, but we'll do Amy Heller.
can you open up your console first in whatever browser? What browser are you using?
I'm using Chrome. Was it
Okay, perfect.
F11? No, I
Uh,
forgot
I don't
the
know.
Control F11. I can't remember.
I always just go to the three dots, but I don't
F12.
see the three dots on
F12.
your screen.
Yeah, it's in a weird nested window.
And click on
Uh,
console there instead of elements. Okay, so that we're gonna get a red error, and what we what would help us is getting that red error. When the general error comes up, you're gonna get a red error there, and send us just like copy and paste it in with your email to
okay.
me with that video if you would.
Yeah.
But so basically the general error comes up. For some reason the bill now, why would that be happening? So you're in July, you switch from July to October and it goes to do the fee. You click OK and it's not wanting to do that fee.
Yeah.
So
So should
there's
we
some
start
issue
from the start?
there.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So I'm gonna get out of fees. I'm going into clients to reinitialize here. So we're gonna come in fresh. Okay.
We were on the fees page last time.
I know. I'm just
Okay.
reloading the fee screen so it starts with July or whatever,
I see.
just
I
to
see. Sorry.
just to totally just Control Alt delete this.
So screen resolution issue, that's something we can fix for the
Yeah.
calculate button, I think.
Weirdly, it's okay. So, well, it defaulted to October. All right, whatever. It was smart enough. So let's look at Amy Hellerer here, right? So Amy Hellerer, 442,000, zero, no fee calculated yet. We go into view billable assets, view asset values. I guess it doesn't really matter. I see that she has 442. Everything's peachy. I go view client details, um, and see that she has a fee schedule. Does have a fee schedule. So if I want to force the billing, I go to bill now. Okay. And choose October. 442,000, $1,600 fee. Things fine there. Gonna okay, and then close this. And as it refreshes this, we get a number of errors on the right side here.
Okay.
Those
Yeah,
might be
copy
helpful.
that and just drop that in the email too,
Will
and then
do.
we'll confirm that the asset values went away as well.
Yeah. And then, oh, interesting. This time it didn't go away. Look at that. It didn't seem to do a refresh though, did it?
You got the general error again though, and hit OK?
I did not.
You did
I
not get,
didn't get the general error, and the asset values are still there.
but we
I'm
still got the
pretty sure
error
I
in
did
the
this.
console. Okay.
We did still get the error in the console, and let me force a refresh on the screen and see if she drops her asset values. Of course, it happens the time we're recording. It doesn't happen the time we're recording.
So we did Almsquist or something like that, some name like that, right?
The first one we
Almquist.
did.
Yeah,
Oh no, the
we did
Amy Heller is
Almquist,
the one we just did.
and then Heller was the one we didn't see it for.
Oh no, look at this. Heller is listed twice now. I don't believe she was before.
I don't think she was either.
In fact, all of these are listed
Nah,
twice now.
everybody's listed twice.
Go ahead
This is
and
a new
refresh your
different issue.
screen.
Well,
So
yeah,
the console error there, not like that's going to cause problems. So like I actually leave the console open on my screen when I'm helping people
yeah.
just to make
Should I go ahead
sure.
and I'll just force a
Just
refresh at the bar here. Yeah.
FYI, but I would refresh the bar and let's see what's
Yeah,
in
let's
place
just
for
go for
reals
it.
because nothing actually refreshed. That error is just gonna,
Right.
the screen's gonna
You
sit
know what?
and
I'm
not
gonna
do
I'm
anything.
gonna kill it here and go back in because you're right, it's dead here. So back. Stay there. Okay, so back to October. And it looks
We
like
want to
they're
go back to the other firm, right? It looks like it
oh
switched your
yes,
firm
excuse me.
on you.
Thank you.
That's
Sorry, you're right.
weird.
That's my default. No, it always goes into my default firm, which is
Oh, it
fine.
does?
I think
Okay.
that's the way we have it. Yeah. Okay, so now we're back in Beyond. Okay, doesn't look like they're duplicated anymore. October.
Oh, it might be duplicated for October still. It is period
Suppose
specific.
that's
Let's check.
possible, yeah. Okay. The duplications have disappeared. It looks like maybe that was just a fallout from the previous errors. And now we have finally seen the replication of the error that we expected earlier. The billable assets are no
I
longer
expected
listed
it after
here.
the refresh, yeah. But
Yeah.
Almquists are
So
back. Did we do Adelaide or Almquist?
I left
We must
Almquist
have done
alone
Adelaide.
because
Yeah,
we
we
did
did
Adelaide.
Adelaide.
I did these two before you. We did this one, and then we just did that one. I skipped these two because they have missing fee schedules, and I don't want to mess with them. Oh,
No, perfect.
okay. So Hellerer, we just broke. We didn't break it very cleanly though. Do you want to try one more, or was
Let's
that
do
good
try it
enough?
one more time since we're
Okay, so we're gonna
recording.
do Andrea. Okay, so Andrea Latora, whatever.
Okay.
All right. So same. I'm gonna keep the same clicking here. Billable assets, 672,000. Everything's peachy. All right, Andrea. Let's take a look at you. Client details. Looks fine. Count. Fee schedule. Okay, so now we're going to look at the billing, see why there was no fee listed, October, and here there is a fee listed as opposed to the front screen which didn't show any, $2,500. Okay. Okay, I hit close, close. Got a bunch of console errors here,
But not the general error. Why?
not the general error. And then I bet it's going to go goofy until I refresh again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me, I don't want to lose track of that paste I had. So then I'll capture these two. Maybe they can cross-reference them with the video. It's possible I did a slightly different sequence or something. I'm pretty sure I hit cancel then exit, but maybe I hit. All right, let me try it on Andrew because, well, no, I got to force a refresh here, don't I? I used to be in software support, so I know how important replication is.
Yeah, I wish it weren't. My
So
team.
it's absolute key. I understand.
Yeah.
Um, all right. Okay. I'm getting confused by my A's, so let's go down here a bit. Barbara Gannon. She sounds lovely. All right, Barbara Gannon. Let's take a look at her billable assets. Billable assets are there. Close out. Go into client details. Edit. There's a fee schedule. See, it's possible I'm like hitting X instead of cancel or something. I wasn't really believe I've been hitting X mostly. And then bill now. October. And she has a fee. Pretty sure I've been hitting OK. And it's possible maybe I hit cancel and then close. Let's try that. No. There might be another factor in data or something that I'm not touching. Well, it's at least throwing all these errors. Maybe there's something for them to dig into there.
Yeah, I mean those are so kind of drop your mouse in there and copy it all the way down.
Mm-hmm.
It goes below
Yeah.
what we see here, but the more yeah, if you'll send us that, we can try and make that mean something to us too.
Be visible style section. Okay. All right, so that's something for investigation. Should we see if the calculate fees resolves the apparent issue,
Um,
or do you want to leave it as it is?
yeah, I think calculate fees will work. I mean, I'm assuming it'll work fine. It's just where it is right now, it's not going to. When it shows up to the left or to the right of the
Right.
there, at that point
So
I
should I
think it
try this
will.
and see if it's good, so they can keep moving? 'Cause this is actually their live account.
Let's hold off on that
Okay.
while we look at the bill now issue.
Should
I'm
I?
trusting calculate fees for now.
Okay. Yeah. Should I tell should I tell the client to hold off on this for a little bit, because they might go in and start trying to correct things?
Yeah, if they can give us just a little bit,
Okay.
I'll try and update you shortly. But I think my team already just pulled the logs, so let me just have
Okay.
them look at it, and I can ask them if we can
Great.
proceed on the other side.
We'll send them the errors and the video, and then let me know if they want this preserved so they can go in and take a look, or if it's okay for the client, for me to hit calculate fees and for the client to go in.
Yeah,
Okay.
that sounds great.
Great. I'll send you that.
Thank you.
All right. Anything else from you, Tracy?
Nope, I am good, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. All right.
Awesome. Thanks. Have a good one.
Thanks.